Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get free skins on Among Us game. So let's start. First open the App Store. Now search for app Joy Nana app. You will also find this app on Google Play Store. This app is completely free. So download it and open it right now. After opening the app, I will suggest you to register. And that's how you'll get 10,400 nanas or points. Now go to the Get Nanas section. Here you will see different sort of tasks. You have to complete this task to earn the specified amount of nanas or points. And with those nanas you can buy different sort of rewards. If you go to the reward section, you will see you can buy Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, Xbox gift cards. And you will also get to buy GTA Shark Cash cards, FIFA 19 Ultimate Team points, as well as FIFA 18 Ultimate Team points and many more. And if you buy gift cards with your earned nanas, then you can easily redeem it in Among Us to buy your favorite skin. And that's how you can get free skins on Among Us game. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.